This tutorial is to show you how to use the bulk assignment editor in Canvas in order to update a new semester's assignments when you have copied them or imported them from a previous semester. I just found this out over the summer and I've been using it a couple times. It works pretty slick, and so I'll do a quick video for those who've asked me how to do it. Feel free to share it with others as well. As you can see, I've got a course. This is my Physics 1015. This is the lab section of my Introduction to Physics class. I've already copied or imported this course into the current semester from a previous semester. So as you can see, even though this is fall of 2021, my assignment dates are showing that they're due in January of 2021. So all of these dates need to be updated for all of my assignments. One thing I have been doing in the past is I open each assignment and I change when the assignment is available, when it's due, and then when it closes. And that was taking a long time, and I asked our teaching learning center if they could find a way to do this faster, and this is what they suggested. It's been working pretty good. So let's get right to it. If you come to your assignments page, I have all the assignments listed here and their old dates. If you go to the upper right hand corner, go to the three dots and click assignment or edit assignment dates, and it's going to open up this grid view. One thing to make sure you widen the window, your browser window, wide enough so that these line up as a grid. If you make it smaller, if you make it more narrow, it's not going to line up this way, and you lose some of the benefit from doing this. The next thing I want to do is do what's called a batch edit. The very first thing I want to change is the available from date. And for me, I make all of my homework assignments and all of my labs available starting on the first day of class. If students want to look ahead and see those assignments and work on them and see them, that's fine by me. But you can change those dates individually if you want to do that. So January 11, our new first day of class is August 30th. So what I want to do here is just figure out how many days there are from January 11th to August 30th. If you don't want to count that manually, an easy way to do that is to go to Microsoft Excel, enter the two dates in Microsoft Excel, and then subtract them from each other, and it'll tell you how many days are between them. I'll show you that here 1 second. If you open up a tab in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, just come to any cell, and I'm going to type in January 11th, 2021. Our new start of semester is August 30th. So August 30th, 2021. Okay, and so it's going to recognize this as a date. And then in a cell below it, I will hit the equal sign. I'm going to pick August 30th, and then I'm going to subtract January 11th, hit enter, and it says 231 days. So that's a nice little shortcut if you want to figure out that date spread easily. The next thing I'm going to do is come through and select all of my labs that I want to update. Let's see here. I have a couple of assignments that don't have dates tied to them because they were not required assignments. So we're not going to do those. Now that I've selected all my assignments, I'm going to click up here, Batch Edit, and I'm going to move forward everything by that number of days. So again, if you look up here, 231 days, I'll type in 231 days here, and then shift the dates and hit OK. This does a couple of things for us. Number one, it updates your available from dates, which is handy. All of them are now August 30th, so first day of class, everyone can see it. Available until says Friday, December 17th. This is not the last day of class anymore, so I would want to go and change that to Monday, December 13th, which is the last day of class. A nice thing you can do is highlight that date, hit copy or Control C on your computer, and then you can literally just go in, highlight the date, hit paste with your computer, Oops, it's not working. Here we go. Control C, highlight this, hit Control V, and it's going to just start pasting all of those dates in, which is pretty convenient. You can just kind of jump through all of them. Anyway, so you get the hint. You can go through and change all of those. And then what you have to do is go to your due at and just manually change these. So my very first lab is actually due on Wednesday the 1st, so that worked out pretty good. Our lab safety waiver is actually due on the 1st, so I need to change that. Lab number 2 is due on Wednesday the 8th, so that actually works out pretty good. But you may find as you're going through all of these dates, some of them have been shifted or tweaked a little bit, mostly because holidays are different in the current semester versus the previous semester. For example, we had a week off of school for spring break in the spring term last semester. We will not have that in the current semester. So eventually I'm going to get to a point where the due at dates will not line up. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful. One thing, make sure you go through, if you have any error messages like this, lock date cannot be after course end. Again, I need to change that to December 13th. Let's see what is going on. Oh, here we go. This needs to be 13th. Make sure you clear all of those red warnings, otherwise it will not let you save. But when you come up here and you click save, it's going to churn its gears for a little bit, and then it'll say assignment dates have been saved successfully. And then you just click on assignments again, and your new assignments will come up. They will all have the new available dates, the new close dates, and the due dates for each course. Way faster than how I've been doing it before. Hopefully this is helpful to you as well. Thanks for watching.